think Baby Doge Coin is preparing to make a huge move to the upside. I'm gonna explain to you guys more looking at the chart. If you are new here, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there understand when to buy, where to take out profit, and when to stay away from the market. Looking at this amazing chart of Baby Doge Coin, we can see, like I talked about this long time ago when I saw these vector candles. Yeah, I have mentioned time and again, come to you guys with awesome analysis, showing you guys on the chart where we can expect a bounce from Baby Dogecoin chart. And those of you who pay attention to my channel, you would have cashed out your profit, and now would have been the time for you to start looking for opportunities to buy. So I want us to look at this. I want us to take a deep dive into the chart of Baby Dogecoin so we can deduce what holds the future. But I think actually we are going to see a breakout to the upside. I'm certain about this, and I'm going to confirm with you guys on the chart. By the way, if you are still watching and you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, what are you still waiting for? You should go right now and smash that subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. I think it's gonna be the best thing you do because you love Baby Dogecoin, and this will help this platform reach out to more people who are gonna be interested to get this bad boy, because they're gonna understand the value of this bad boy from someone who understands the value of this bad boy. Now, before we go into all of this stuff, I want us to look at what this coin has done looking at crypto bubbles. Now, this is against Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see for the year, it shows that like the year is just started, right? This coin is down 2.3% for the month alone. Like this previous month is down 26.1%, and for the week is down 5%. For the day is down this much, and for the hour we don't know yet what is going on. Now, what is actually going on with meme coin is that we are not seeing any major trend with meme coins. That's for sure. Mog, Bonk, Pepe, we are not hearing any major movement. I think for now, meme coins are not really doing well, but the ones that are going to be doing well soon are the ones that have real use cases and are outstanding in the space. We're going to talk more about that in the course of this video, maybe, but I just want you to understand that Baby Dogecoin is not in that kind of like meme coin without anything attached to it. This coin has lots of utilities, lots of something that someone else out there can look at and say, wow, I can use this, I can use that, to add more value to my project, to do this, my that. There's so much you can find when you look at the Baby Dogecoin project. Now let's dive into this again. Let's go now to the chart of this bad boy. But by the way, if say you haven't yet followed me on X, this is my X platform. Go and follow me on X, the BETONG. You can just go to X and search for the BETONG, and you're gonna find me. Now let's get to this chart, guys. This is a perfect setup for Baby Dogecoin, and I can see that price have recovered this vector candle here, half of this vector. Whenever I see a vector candle, I know that the market makers are back on board. They are back in business. We saw how one formed here, and price immediately price pumped to the upside. Yeah, when price was dumping, we saw this huge move to the upside, and this one formed again here. And it took price above this 50-day moving average, and now we are staying above the alpha trend after the alpha trend printed this buy signal. So usually when price does this and we see this buy signal, price should recover at least half of this vector candle. Now we can confirm that price have recovered half of this vector candle. So we are looking at now this new candle which is forming now, this 4 hours candle at the time of making this video. We can see that it's forming somehow bullish. It can try something like this, then move to the upside. Why am I saying so? If we look at previous price action, you can see what happened always when the alpha trend print a buy signal. There's always a huge move to the upside. You can also see that this was a huge move to the upside. No, this is nothing as compared to where we have the alpha trend before. So whenever the alpha trend print a buy signal, the move is going to take us where the sell signal was created in the first place. So you can see this buy signal was created here, and we saw how price took us around where the previous sell signal was created. So now on this time frame, we have seen that the buy signal has been printed here, and the target should be this zone here. This is for short term in traders, like you want to swing trade. Now, if say you are like a long-term investor, you are into this bad boy long term, let's look at some other chart here that can give us more perspective. Now, this is a daily time frame for Baby Doge Coin, and for the short-term traders, it's gonna be take us still to where we have this value area high. But now look at something here. Price rejected exactly at the POC. Go to my previous Baby Doge Coin video. You're gonna see that I talk about this zone that they can still bring price here because of this vector candle here to recover everything. And I think they have done just that. That's why we saw this stopping volume candle here, this SFE here. And I think this is some sort of signal to us that they don't want to push price more downward, and they want to see price moving to the upside. The upside won't just happen quick, like whoop, it can happen like that, but it's gonna come down at least to retest structure. So if you see price do something like that, note that it's gonna retrace at one point to retest structure. So we can just try to see if maybe we can play the trend line game here, if possible. I'm not like a fan of this trend line game, but let's just see, do this for fun and see. Okay, if say price is gonna break this trend line, for example, it might do something like this. Go up, come down, retest structure, then move to the upside. So drawing a trend line like this can help you see this move, like mark the zones, or you can just still mark the zone where it is right now. You can do something like this, mark it like this, because this should be the measure area that price should break. So if price break this zone here above, then you are waiting for the retest around this area. Or you can buy here and take price to the upside. If price get back to here, you buy more, then you take it back to this zone here that we have this value area high. And this is in conference to this previous chart here, this where we have this sell signal. I think that's a zone where the value area high is on this chart. So it's gonna take us to this zone, which is okay. And from there we might get some rejection, minor rejection. Maybe price might come back down here, before go and attack this previous high here. I strongly believe we're gonna see the next all-time high for Baby Doge Coin. And those of you who are investing in the coin long term should know that this coin is one of the best coin in the meme space. They have real-time utilities. You might be looking at the market cap right now, saying to yourself, oh, why is this other coin like this or like that? It doesn't work that way. It works more on long term. If you see a project building utilities, it means they are preparing themselves to be here for the next 10 or 20 years, or let's say the next 5 years, which is relevant or which is something important. Okay, so if you are investing in any coin and you have a long-term mindset, then most of the profit long term you're gonna make it. But at the same time, you can make profit from the volatile nature of the project, like what we are seeing here, pump retracement, and this channel can really help you with that. I can help you with all of this, teach you on how to go about analyzing the market. So if you're someone who wants to learn how to trade, you want to learn trading, you want to trade, you want to be that person who understand market structure. You want to look at the chart and say, right now I'm taking out profit, right now I'm staying away from the market, right now I'm buying. If you are looking for that knowledge, then I can help you with my one-on-one session. There I teach you everything I know about trading, investing, all of this good stuff to help you be outstanding in this game. It's not only about buying. It's also about selling. So when is the right time you sell? As much as I love the Dogecoin, I wasn't holding it. Right? It's now that I'm looking at buying it. I sold long time ago because I saw the chart and I realized, wow, this move is going to retrace back because of these vector candles. And I can build that same mindset in you so that you become a beast in this industry. And if say you are interested to go through all of this, then make sure you join my free Telegram group. Or if you're already there, comment there that you want to take the education, the complete one-on-one, and I want to help you to do that. And if say you haven't yet joined my free Telegram group, the links are found below this video. By the way, if say you don't know, so I have a VIP group where I share my buy, sell, take profit alerts. So if say you are someone who is struggling, you buy, you don't always know when to take out profit. You always see the market come back against you, sweeping all the gains you made in your portfolio. If you are struggling, then I can help you with my buy, sell signal. I buy something, I help you to buy it at the same time. If I sell it, I tell you I'm going to sell it, then you sell at the same time, and also I can help you with your coin that you are holding, so that you can know when to sell it. I mean, having said all this, I'm talking now. Let's get to the chart. Let's just get into this and see what we got. But now this is where we are. We should expect the next move soon. We are on the daily time frame. Don't forget, we should expect this move to happen, but it won't just happen like that. As I mentioned, we should expect price to move like this. We come back and we test this key level before we see the next move to the upside. Now, I want us to look at this chart. This is very important. Why? Because this is something that I have been talking about on my platform for a while now. And if we look at Baby Doge Coin right now on this time frame, let me just bring in the other chart. This is the fixed volume profile. Okay, and the fixed volume profile is telling me that we left the value area low on the 4 hours time frame, and now we are heading towards the POC. And the POC is exactly the area I told you about where the alpha trend created its sell signal. So it's bets normal. So this confirmed the fact that we are gonna see price move at least to the POC, because we have left the value area low and price left the value area low, creating this zone here, which was awesome. This was some sort of like head and shoulder pattern. This was amazing because price had to do this to create an opportunity for us to buy. You see, this was more of like price made higher highs from this movement to the upside, and now price will test structure. So we are gonna make the next move targeting this area. If so, we break the POC, we're gonna go straight to the value area high. Yeah. So again, all this chart is pointing us up, 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 up. And if say you really want to take advantage of this, then I think you're looking at what Bitcoin is doing right now. Bitcoin is at around 100K. It's but normal to say that Baby Dogecoin can move as well, because it hasn't yet moved as compared to other coins that move alongside Bitcoin. Usually, Baby Dogecoin takes some time. When Bitcoin and most of the altcoins have moved, it takes some time to make it all move. And when Baby Dogecoin is moving, it's moving on its own, and you want to pay attention to that. Now, looking at the Baby Dogecoin ecosystem, I don't know what is going on there. If say they have some new updates coming soon, what is coming soon? Get ready to experience the future of real estate in Baby Doge ecosystem. Yeah, I think maybe that's the stuff they're working on in Dubai. The real estate stuff. They have Poppy.phone also, which is a new launch pad. Software wallet is back. Good news for our bridge users. Software wallet is now available again. Seamlessly bridge your Baby Doge between chains. Okay, that's amazing, guys. This is one of the things I mentioned to you guys, that they have utilities, they have use cases. They are building product. They are developers who are innovative in this ecosystem. They keep building new product. So don't just look at it as this is a meme coin. Look at this as a meme community that has interest in building new services or building new technologies, software that you and I need in our day-to-day activity. So I love what I'm seeing here. Let's see if say we have more stuff. Baby Doge whiskey, smooth bowl, and fuel. Wow! Imagine that you have a whiskey like this and Baby Doge coin is. These guys are so innovating. Look at more updates here. Yeah, guys, you can go on the X platform to get more update. I just wanted to see if say there's something recent. So this is what I got for you about this bad boy. I think it's about to make the next move to the upside. And right now, I'm gonna go get some Dogecoin. Trust me, I'm gonna buy Dogecoin right now after this video, because I want to get involved before the trend pump to the upside. And if say you haven't yet gotten some of this bad boy, you can do so, but don't do it because I say so. I want you to do it because you understand the project. I'm just someone who knows nothing and say something. So if you follow me, it's at your own risk. But I want to be honest with you on the chart, that the chart is telling me this, and because of that, I can say I'm buying. And you can also buy if say you see what I'm seeing. But as I mentioned, don't do it because I say so. You have to make your own informed decision before you buy. Having said all this good stuff, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Bye bye. Ciao. Next video.